never paid any heed to the ancient prophecies. Like fools, we clung to the old hatreds. And fought as we had for generations. Until the day the sky rained fire, and the new enemy came among us. We stand now upon the brink of destruction, for the reign of chaos has come at last.
The sands of time have run out, son of Duratan. The cries of war echo upon the winds. The remnants of the past scar the land. Besieged once again by conflict. Arise to challenge fate and lead their brethren to battle. As mortal armies rush blindly towards their doom, the burning shadow comes to consume us all. You must rally the Horde and lead your people to their destiny. Seek me out.
kind of nightmare was that?
It was not a nightmare, young war chief, but a vision. Follow me, and I will reveal what your future holds.
I don't know what this is all about, but I'll play along. Lokrigar Nogal. Yes. Dabu. For honor.
Very good. The path to the next banner leads through a black area. Notice how the black area shrinks as Thrall moves through it. This reflects areas you have explored.
Let's get on with it. The spirits. Loktar, my warriors.
We are yours to command, War Chief. What you want, Dabu?
In order to have Thrall and his troops move together, you must first select all of them.
Swobu. I am Master. The War Chief. Lokrigar Nogal. This was only a scout, but the Gnoll's camp lies just ahead.
Order your troops to perform an aggressive attack move into the enemy encampment. To do this, select all of your troops, click the attack button, and then left-click on the ground in the middle of the Gnoll camp.
Survive. For honor.
What you want?
Swobu. Let's get on with it. Lokrigar Nogal.
Whenever you click on
the spirits are restless. Huh? Let's get on with it. Huh?
Zug.
The spirits are restless.
What you want?
Lokrigar
Yes.
Nogal.
Loktar. Swobu. War Chief, we've discovered a group of Murloc raiders in the nearby river.
The Murlocs would make excellent targets for your new Chain Lightning spell. To have Thrall use his new ability, click on the Chain Lightning button and then left-click. Some monsters drop treasure when they are defeated. Treasure chests hold powerful magic items that can only be picked up by heroes such as Thrall. This particular treasure chest contained a useful potion of mana. Notice that the potion now occupies one of Thrall's inventory slots near the bottom middle of your screen. Potions of mana can be used to replenish a hero's mana, the magic energies that allow the casting of spells such as Chain Lightning.
Zug.
Lokrigar Nogal. Yes.
What you want? Dabu. Huh?
Let's get on with it.
Master? Loktar.
Lokrigar Nogal.
Master?
Dabu.
The wolf howl signifies that night has begun.
Be wary, my warriors. Don't let nightfall dull your senses. Yes. War Chief.
Swobu.
The spirits are restless. For honor.
Master?
Let's get on with it.
What you want?
I am the War Chief.
Loktar.
An ogre. We'd have a fierce battle on our hands if the beast weren't sleeping.
Loktar.
The spirits are restless. For honor.
Master? Swobu.
Let's get on with it.
What you want?
Lokrigar Nogal.
Zug.
Dabu.
Master?
I am
Dabu.
the War Chief. For
What
honor.
you want?
Yes.
Yes?
A golem. Watch yourselves, my brethren. Those creatures do not sleep at night.
Huh? Swobu.
Let's get on with it.
What you want?
Lokrigar Nogal.
Yes? Zug.
I am
Yes?
the War Chief.
Dabu.
The spirits are restless. Dabu.
Master?
Excellent. Thrall has found a magic ring. Rings are very useful because they provide a constant passive benefit as long as they are carried.
What you want?
The spirits are restless.
Yes?
Lokrigar
Dabu.
Nokal.
Master?
I am the Warchief. Forest trolls. I still can't believe they were ever a part of the Horde.
Huh?
The spirits are restless.
The Doomhammer!
Yes.
What you want? Yes? Master?
Let's get on with it.
Very good. That treasure chest held a magic tome that can be used to give Thrall a permanent benefit.
The Warchief. Lokrigar
Master?
Nokal.
What you want?
I am the Warchief.
Greetings, son of Duratan. I knew you'd find your way.
It was you I saw in the vision. Who are you? How do you know me?
I know many things, young Warchief, about you and your people. My identity at this time is unimportant. What is important is that you rally your people and leave these shores immediately.
Leave? What's this all about, human?
Human? I left my humanity behind long ago. I am something different now. Know that I have seen the future and beheld the great burning shadow that is coming to consume this world. You sense it as well, don't you?
The demons are returning.
Yes, and only by leading your people across the sea to the distant lands of Kalimdor will you have a chance to stand against them.
But how can we...
I will answer all of your questions in time, young Warchief. For now, rally your warriors and prepare to leave this land. We will speak again.
None of this makes sense. But the spirits tell me that I should trust him.